Formax presents the FD8602cc Office Shredder. The Formax FD8602cc Office Crosscut Shredder is built to last with its commercial-grade features, including an all-metal cabinet, steel gears, a heavy-duty AC motor, and an LED control panel. The 8602cc can shred up to 37 sheets in one pass through its 16-inch wide throat. The user-friendly control panel features an LED load indicator to monitor the shredding capacity. Auto reverse is activated if the shredder is overloaded for easy removal of sheets. The FD8602cc includes a lifetime guaranteed high-density plastic waste bin, as do all Formax office shredders. The FD8602cc Office Shredder.